Introduction, explaining the purpose of the guide and the importance of choosing the right platform for beginners. Step 1. Understanding KDP and Merch by Amazon, a brief explanation of both platforms, their features, and target audiences. Step 2. Royalties and revenue, detailing how KDP offers higher royalties and more potential for revenue compared to Merch by Amazon. Step 3. Product variety, explaining how KDP allows for a wider range of products, while Merch by Amazon is limited to t-shirts. Step 4. Customization options, discussing the greater customization options available on KDP for books compared to the design limitations on Merch by Amazon for t-shirts. Step 5. Target audience, highlighting the broader target audience for KDP books, as opposed to Merch by Amazon's focus on fashion-oriented customers. Step 6. Ease of publishing, comparing the simplicity of publishing on KDP with the more complex process involved in creating and uploading designs on Merch by Amazon. Step 7. Marketing tools, discussing the various marketing tools and promotional options available exclusively on KDP, such as Kindle countdown deals and Amazon advertising. Step 8. Customer reviews, addressing the significance of customer reviews and how KDP has a more established system for reviews compared to Merch by Amazon. Step 9. Brand building, exploring the potential for brand building and author platform development through KDP, which is less prominent on Merch by Amazon. Step 10. Intellectual property rights, discussing the stronger protection of intellectual property rights for authors on KDP compared to designers on Merch by Amazon. Step 11. Customer base, comparing the global reach and customer base of KDP books with the more niche market of Merch by Amazon t-shirts. Step 12. Sales channels, highlighting the various sales channels available for KDP books, such as Amazon, Audible, and Kindle Unlimited, versus the limited options for Merch by Amazon products. Step 13. Customer engagement, discussing the opportunities for direct customer engagement through KDP, such as author pages, blogs, and social media, which are less prevalent on Merch by Amazon. Step 14. Customer loyalty, exploring the potential for building customer loyalty through KDP, as readers are more likely to return to an author's works, while Merch by Amazon customers may have less brand loyalty. Step 15. Product durability, acknowledging the temporary nature of Merch by Amazon products, t-shirts, compared to the lasting impact of KDP books. Step 16. Long-term potential, comparing the long-term potential for income generation through KDP books with the more short-term nature of Merch by Amazon t-shirt sales. Step 17. Learning resources, discussing the abundance of learning resources available for KDP authors, such as blog posts, webinars, and online courses, compared to limited resources for Merch by Amazon designers. Step 18. Customer support, comparing the customer support offered by KDP and Merch by Amazon, with KDP generally providing more comprehensive assistance to authors. Step 20. Conclusion, summarizing the reasons why KDP is better than Merch by Amazon for beginners and encouraging readers to explore KDP as their primary platform for self-publishing.